So for investing, it's just generally a safer avenue to put your money, right? My name is Vic. I'm 22 this year. I'm still an NSF. So I currently trade, and it's a very high risk and high reward system. So I want a safer and something I'm more confident in. For the VIP, it's very basic. They really simplify a lot of things that the common Joe like me, myself, would know from the very beginning till the very end. And they also like to meet and revisit a lot of the contents that's been taught over the days. So I think that was very useful, especially when you tend to be forgetful. And when there's like a lot of content being covered, you might miss a lot of things. So this kind of summaries really help. Okay, the most helpful avenue in VIP is that we learn from one another. And when we teach one another, we find out what we don't know. And in that way, we just learn from each other and work towards a betterment as a group. I would recommend my friends to this VIP group because it's a very simple way of learning things. The trainers are very down to earth, you can always approach them. And again, it's a very safe avenue that you can put your money into without thinking much. Of course, you have to do your research and everything. But overall, it's like a very dummy guide that they give you.